Tornado celery integration hacks. Since nobody provided a solution to this post plus the fact that I desperately need a workaround, here is my situation and some abstract solutions/ideas for debate. My stack: Tornado, Celery, MongoDB, Redis, RabbitMQ. My problem: find a way for Tornado to dispatch a celery task, solved, and then asynchronously gather the result. Any ideas? Scenario 1: request/response hack plus webhook. Tornado receives a user request, then saves in local memory, or in Redis, a jobbed user request, to remember where to propagate the response, and fires a celery task with jobbed. When celery completes the task, it performs a webhook at some URL, and tells Tornado that this jobbed has finished, plus the results. Tornado retrieves the user request and forwards a response to the user. Can this happen? Does it have any logic? Scenario 2: Tornado plus long polling. Tornado dispatches the celery task and returns some primary JSON data to the client, jQuery. jQuery does some long polling upon receipt of the primary JSON, say, every X microseconds, and Tornado replies according to some database flag. When the celery task completes, this database flag is set to true, then jQuery loop is finished. Is this efficient? Any other ideas/schemas?
I stumbled upon this question and hitting the results backend repeatedly did not look optimal to me. So I implemented a mixin similar to your scenario when using Unix sockets. It notifies Tornado as soon as the task finishes, to be accurate, as soon as next task in chain runs, and only hits results backend once. Here is the link.
My solution involves polling from Tornado to Celery. Here is post about it.
Here is our solution to the problem. Since we look for result in several handlers in our application, we made the celery lookup a mixin class. This also makes code more readable with the tornado.gen pattern.
Now, this URL comes to rescue.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.